Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back showing you how I make my hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid has tons of great benefits for skin, including skin hydration, wrinkle reduction, skin elasticity, and even helps with eczema, wound recovery, and burn recovery. It's often an ingredient in moisturizers, but if it's not in yours, then making a serum can benefit you. You can apply the serum first and layer your moisturizer on top. In my experience, I don't like using this serum on its own without moisturizer unless I add a little bit of glycerin to the mix. But it's still recommended to follow up with a moisturizer regardless. So in this clean glass jar, I add 7 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder. You saw me use 2 half teaspoons there. It doesn't mix very well, but that's okay. Just close the lid and shake. It'll still be clumpy, but put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours and any clumps will dissolve on their own. And if you made it this far, you're probably a DIY girl like me. I created a hair care line in 2018 from my homemade hair care products and have scaled to multiple 6 figures in business. If you're interested in earning an extra $2,000 to $10,000 a month, check out my course, From Passion to Profit. The link is down below. So I left the jar in the fridge overnight and it fully dissolved and got to a great consistency. A little goes a long way. I apply it to my face, my neck, my chest, and my hands. Those are the areas that tend to show the most signs of aging. Those are the areas we tend to really want to make sure our skin stays nice and elastic and tight and hydrated. Okay? Everyone's skin is different, so a few drops of vegetable glycerin is best for me, but this formula on its own might be great for you. Again, make sure you layer it with moisturizer on top because it is going to dry down and it won't necessarily make your skin feel supple again unless you add some glycerin to it. And when I use this serum without glycerin and I forget to add moisturizer on top, the serum will start to flake a little bit on my cheeks. So don't forget your moisturizer and or add the vegetable glycerin. So my cheat code is the recipe you see here with a couple drops of vegetable glycerin, and that's perfect for my skin. How about you? Do you make hyaluronic acid serum yourself? Tell me about it down below. And grab my course, From Passion to Profit, so I can help you boost your revenue. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.